I'm Sharlene Chiu, and I'd like you to imagine you're the mayor of Boston. So let's say you want to reduce energy consumption in the city. That's a good goal to have. So you're thinking about passing different policies, like reducing the number of private vehicles in the city center. Now, thanks to this simulation platform that my lab built, you can actually take your policy ideas and simulate them in a virtual city of Boston. Now, even though you have this, you have two more problems. First is Boston could change in 50 years. The population could go down, fuel price could go up. With all these uncertainty factors, you actually have way too many possible future scenarios that Boston could enter. And we just can't simulate all of them, it's too slow. So I come in and I developed a technique to help you figure out which scenarios you want to test. So my technique minimizes the number of scenarios you need while also making sure that you have enough scenarios to represent the whole possibility space. So once you have these scenarios, you can take your policies, your scenarios, and stuff them into the simulation. And then you get numbers out, energy consumption. And so you can actually take these numbers and see which policies failed in which scenarios and succeeded in other scenarios. But you'd like to know why they failed and why they succeeded. And so my second part of the project is helping you figure out what do scenarios look like when a policy fails. In doing so, you can actually zoom in and say, okay, as long as Boston avoids these scenarios, I'm good to go. Or you can say, let's actually dig into why everything fails when population and ride sharing go down. Let's investigate that. You have that option now. And so at the end of the day, my research gave you a tool to figure out what to put into the simulation and a tool to figure out what to do with the numbers that come out of the simulation. And hopefully that gives you, the mayor, a way to create better informed decisions on which policies you should pass.